Service in Mobile issued a special marine warning for eastern Choctawhatchee Bay until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles north of Panama City Beach, moving west at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Highway 331 bridge in East Choctawhatchee Bay. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay. Here's your marine forecast.